Analyzing the structural profile of the 2022 Philadelphia Mint Kennedy half dollar requires a deep dive into the mechanical execution of modern automated coin presses. Serious numismatists understand that evaluating these contemporary pieces goes far beyond a casual visual inspection. It involves auditing the precise tonnage application, die alignment, and metallurgical composition of the plancher itself. When copper nickel-clad strip material passes through high-speed blanking dies, microscopic variations in thickness and hardness can fundamentally alter how the design transfers during the striking cycle. Collectors scanning through bank-wrapped rolls look past superficial luster to check the design relief depth, rim integrity, and proof-like surface mirroring. Documenting these precise technical variables provides a clear foundation for serious research. Industrial dieware introduces fascinating physical indicators on modern halves that challenge even experienced variety hunters. As a steel working die repeatedly strikes planchers under intense pressure, the microscopic details within Kennedy's portrait and the reverse presidential seal begin to erode, creating radial flow lines and orange peel surface textures. Distinguishing these common signs of die deterioration from genuine mint errors, such as a major doubled die obverse or a distinct collar shift, requires careful examination under professional magnification. Serious enthusiasts catalog these surface conditions to map out the progression of specific die states used during the 2022 production cycle. Every strike leaves behind a unique mechanical footprint that reveals the physical health of the minting apparatus. Third-party certification data from independent grading services provides the ultimate objective benchmark for establishing the true rarity of contemporary coinage. Examining the official PCGS and NGC population reports reveals a stark contrast between the millions of halves struck for circulation and the incredibly tiny handful of specimens certified at the absolute peak of the grading scale. Because these modern pieces are handled in heavy ballistic mint bags, finding a specimen completely free of hairline scratches, contact marks, and plancher flaws is an exceptional challenge. Numismatic experts constantly review these database statistics to monitor how many examples have managed to secure elite technical status. This institutional tracking replaces speculation with verifiable data. Isolating a contemporary business strike that achieves a high-grade tier demands an understanding of the strict numerical grading criteria used by professional laboratories. To cross the threshold into elite registry set territory, a coin must exhibit flawless eye appeal, exceptional strike sharpness, and completely uninterrupted original mint luster across both fields. Microscopic contact marks from other coins, often received during transport, instantly disqualify a piece from reaching these top-tier conservation levels. Variety specialists spend hours reviewing the pristine fields on these rare-condition survival pieces, where even a single tiny hairline drop can ruin the technical grade. True preservation scarcity remains a major driving factor for competitive collectors globally. A precise technical evaluation of the obverse profile focuses heavily on the design elements surrounding the bust of John F. Kennedy. Variety hunters utilize high magnification and stereo microscopes to audit the internal loops of the date digits and the sharp serifs of the inscription letters for any signs of hub doubling. The relationship between the working die and the hub during manufacturing can create minor shifts that replicate design lines, which are often mistaken for standard mechanical doubling caused by a loose die. Documenting the crispness of the letters, the separation of the design layers, and the exact position of the mint mark area helps professionals isolate exceptional production anomalies from everyday automated errors. The reverse side of this denomination features the intricate presidential coat of arms, a complex design matrix that serves as an excellent diagnostic tool for collectors. Technical reviews require a careful inspection of the individual feathers on the eagle's wings, the sharpness of the olive branch leaves, and the definition of the heraldic shield. When automated coin presses operate at suboptimal pressures, these high-relief central areas are often the very first parts of the design to show weakness or incomplete fill. Cataloging these localized striking weaknesses allows researchers to evaluate how effectively the Philadelphia Mint maintained quality control standards across the massive production runs of the modern era. The physical dynamics of the striking chamber create an environment where immense mechanical forces compress a blank planchet between two hardened steel dies in a fraction of a second. Variations in the press speed, internal temperature, and hydraulic pressure settings can leave distinct visual clues on the finished product. A slight reduction in pressure can result in a soft strike with rounded rims, whereas excessive pressure might cause the metal to flow unevenly toward the collar, creating minor rim burrs. Studying these operational variations allows the numismatic community to understand the limits of modern industrial minting technology and how subtle adjustments impact final surface preservation. The raw material used to create modern halves consists of an outer layer of copper-nickel bonded securely to a core of pure copper. This layered composition introduces unique metallurgical variables that can affect how a coin looks after it passes through the coin press. If the bonding process experiences minor failures, planchet laminations or surface peeling can occur, creating highly sought-after errors that are cataloged by specialized variety collectors. Examining the outer clad layer under polarized lighting helps researchers verify the consistency of the alloy blend and detect any structural impurities that might have compromised the coin's surface during fabrication. Verifying historical sales data through trusted platforms like heritage auctions provides researchers with an accurate picture of market consensus regarding specific condition rarities. These public archives document the exact technical attributes, professional grading serial numbers, and third-party holder generations of certified specimens that have entered major collections. Reviewing these archival listings allows researchers to track the frequency with which top-grade pieces appear in the marketplace, providing concrete proof of physical scarcity. Relying on these verified auction histories ensures that all research remains completely grounded in real numismatic facts rather than misleading online rumors or promotional hype. The pursuit of top-grade modern coinage is driven heavily by competitive registry set collectors who strive to build the finest documented deep collection portfolios in existence. These specialized registries use weighted scoring systems based entirely on official population numbers, where a single half-grade upgrade can dramatically shift a set's global ranking. Because of this intense institutional competition, the demand for pristine, contact-free coins remains consistently high among advanced enthusiasts who value certified technical perfection. Documenting these specific registry trends highlights how modern collecting habits have evolved around objective data, precise condition tracking, and verified third-party laboratory consensus. Exploring the intricate technical facts of the modern minting process opens up a fascinating conversation about quality control, mechanical engineering, and preservation. What specific surface variations or striking characteristics have you isolated when examining modern halves under magnification? Have you ever submitted a contemporary business strike to a third-party grading service like PCGS or NGC? And what was your experience with the final certified tier? Please share your detailed technical observations and grading experiences in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to Spyder to receive our daily, highly detailed forensic, numismatic breakdowns and research updates.